Howdy. A little Quake watch, and I just stumbled across a very interesting place. There's some activity going on around the Alps. 5 hours ago, 2.7. And then we had a deeper one 1 hour ago in Bergamo, Italy. 29 kilometers in depth. Furthermore, the Bolzano region, I don't exactly know where it starts and ends, but it starts, like if we watch from the south, with this elongated crater-like feature, which is a lake. 43 minutes ago, beside it was a quake. This seems to be a deeper one, 14 kilometers. And there's yet another one, 21 hours ago. And then we have, if we follow this up, we have Bolzano here. And if you zoom out a little bit, it gets distorted by all those writings and stuff, but I made videos about this feature here. There is this kind of very interesting feature here, which somehow starts here from the south. I don't know if it started there, might have started there. The rivers flow into the direction the dragons once came from, so it might have started there after all. But anyway, there's a crater, and here we have this rather round formation, which is a mountain hillside. There is also activity going on to the north amongst the river Rhine, Laufenburg, 0 kilometers in depth. A little bit to the left, which is not the Rhine actually anymore, but still we have this, that's all Jura. Imagine there is written Jura. We have a deeper quake there in the middle, 1.9, 33 kilometers in depth, the Belle Herbe. And there was also, when I zoomed in today earlier, there's several things what you can tell already by now. There is caves. Let's switch to another color, which maybe stands out a bit more. Caves, water veins, several of them. Here's one which starts here and ends here, and there's the bigger one going there. Océan Blanche Fontaine, which means white fountain. Blanche is white, and fountain maybe spring or something. Marie, Mairi, whatever that is. Maybe hostel or something. And this might discharge after all this bigger river into the Rhone. But now let's go out a bit further. There is more activity going on northwards. 2 hours ago, Wernigerode, Saxony-Anhalt. 2 hours, 2 kilometers in depth, 2.3 in magnitude. I haven't, this from yesterday. Groningen. Yes. Very interesting. Something is there going on, I tell you. But, yeah, France, check it out. But anyway, Scotland. Here we have this very nice straight feature. And here, I made just 2 days ago or something a video about those lakes and other things there, which might have been actual glaciers once upon a time. 14 hours ago, ARNISDALE, HIGHLAND, United Kingdom, or Scotland. I don't know. Do they tell us any depth? 3 kilometers in depth. There is not that well visible, but we have water veins just beside it. 200 meters on either side. And there are like water springs all over the place. Now we have to put north where it belongs. Then we go just north because I found a very interesting place. Glass alien. Glass alien. Check this out. I tried to figure out or to find some more information about this. That's something really amazing. And the quality is rather bad. Then it's really hard to say, are these fields? Is this water? What is going on? Is this a forest, building, or water body? This is a water body for sure. Yeah, check this out. Scotland. Turned out there's many places with similar names, but I think this is the one. Canmore, National Record of the Historic Environment, Archaeology Notes. Category, Descriptive Accounts. Centered at NG 845,250 are 6 platform features lying in west-northwest, east-southeast orientation. These are circular with overall diameters respectively 2, 2, 2.6, 2.45, 211 and 212 meters and consist of a curb of large boulders surrounding a low 0.25 meters platform of smaller stones, the corresponding distances between the centers of each feature being 7.1 blah 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 respectively. These are almost certainly stacked bases for hay storage associated with the strip fields which cover the northern part of the island. No house footings were noted, and it is likely that the island was cultivated from Abergis in the north shore, ARNISDALE on the south shore of Lohalsh. Mr. E. McCrea Dragao Farm, whose sheep graze this land, points out that the small location on the eastern side contains fresh water and that the pasture is rich. So, this one is this one. We have to zoom out in order to show you something very important. This island is basically in the sea. That's salt water. See? This was the Quake. Here's the island. So this island is in salt water. And here we have fresh water. This is once again a very, very good proof of what I'm trying to tell about water, mountain water, glaciers, wide rivers, Earth's electric circuits, and all these kinds of things. And I just found this evidence because there was a quake. 1.4. Who cares about a 1.4 earthquake? Now we could turn it around like this and then measure. Try to measure. That's really sketchy, I know. 13 kilometers from the quake, we have gas alien. Alien glass. which looks very interesting, which also has fresh water in the middle of the sea. No, it's in the middle of the sea. It's surrounded by sea. Yeah, I really would like to go there and check it out. But I can't. So let's see. Is there any... What is up with these water veins which go perpendicular with the water, with the shore? What is that supposed to mean? There are several of them. Why? This is sea, and that's a water stream which goes amongst the shore. Yeah, I still say no. I think these are rather white, these sand banks, rather bright in appearance, as are the shores. Despite the quality isn't very good, but check it out. How many water veins are there? There's actually a lake on top of a hill as well. And just some random stream goes by it. So cryptodomes probably all over the place. Maybe, I don't know. It's just a suggestion. Yeah, this might be a water too, surrounded by rather white stones. But anyway, I think I'll leave it here. Let's go back to the island because that's something very cool to watch at. Especially when knowing that here is fresh water pouring out of the ground in the middle of the sea. If the average temperature of the place would be colder, there would be probably growing a glacier. But now it's not. Because it's too warm. That's the only reason why there isn't a glacier. But anyway, this is what I think. Thanks for watching. Glass Alien. What a place and what a name. Thanks. Bye.